Today I'm going to show you exactly how to install a plugin for Photoshop step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly add powerful new features to your Photoshop workflow, and you'll be able to start using your new plugin right away, even if you've never installed one before. Let's jump right in. So first things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop on your computer. If you're launching it for the first time, give it a moment to load. It might take a second depending on your system. Opening Photoshop is of course the starting point for any new creative project, but today we're not making art just yet. We're setting up the tools that will help us work smarter and faster. Once Photoshop is running, look up toward the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar running horizontally alongside familiar options like File and Edit. You'll spot the Plugins menu. This is your gateway to expanding what Photoshop can do. Plugins can add anything from special effects to productivity boosters to entirely new editing features. Go ahead and click on Plugins. After you click, you'll see a drop-down menu. We want to select Browse Plugins. This will take you into Photoshop's official plugin marketplace, a sort of app store just for Photoshop enhancements. If you've never explored this section before, take a moment to look around. You'll see all kinds of plugins sorted by category, and you can even search for something specific if you know what you want. But for now, let's pick one you'd like to try and move forward. When you find a plugin you want, you'll notice a Get button right next to it. This makes installation super straightforward, no downloading zip files or fussing with complicated instructions. Just click Get. If you're wondering, pressing Get starts the installation immediately, so you don't need to worry about any hidden steps or manual file copying. It's streamlined for convenience. Next, Photoshop will ask you to confirm the installation. This is just a security measure to make sure you really want to add the plugin to your workspace. Go ahead and confirm. It's safe and quite quick. Sometimes it'll take a few moments to finish up, especially if it's a larger plugin or if your internet connection is a bit slow. Don't be alarmed if you see a spinning icon or a loading bar. That's normal. Once the plugin is installed, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This step might seem a little surprising if you haven't installed a plugin before, but it's quite common. Developers use your email address either to register the plugin, provide updates, or sometimes for support reasons. Simply type in your email and hit Submit. Don't worry, most reputable plugins in the Photoshop marketplace are mindful about privacy, but if you're unsure, you can double-check the plugin's info before proceeding. That's it, your chosen plugin is now installed and ready to use within Photoshop. You can start exploring its features immediately. Plugins are a fantastic way to personalize and supercharge your editing experience, just like adding custom tools to a toolbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. If you ran into any issues or want suggestions for which plugins to try next, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And remember to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Happy creating!